Hey everybody, what's up? It's James here with Study Spanish. James here. Welcome to day 3 of the Study Spanish James here crash course. Today we're going to talk about months of the year, meses del año in Spanish. I'd like for you guys to pay very close attention to me as I go over information in this video. Please follow along. The purpose. The third day course is designed to educate the learner the basics of the Spanish language. Learning the months of the year is very helpful for a new learner of the Spanish language because it will help you to know times, dates, and also surroundings. Knowing the months of the year are important to helping you master the basics toward your fluency in the future. Try to remember the months so you can use them with your conversations in Spanish and also understand when people discuss them too. The months of the year. In Spanish, the months of the year are meses del año. I will now teach you the months of the year. Also, you will learn how they are written out in Spanish. Plus, you will learn how to pronounce them well. Let's get started with los meses del año. January, enero. Enero is the first month of the year. Primer mes de año. Primer mes del año. February, febrero. Febrero is the second month of the year. Segundo mes del año. Segundo mes del año. March, marzo. Marzo, the third month of the year. Tercero mes del año. Tercero mes del año. April. Abril. Abril, the fourth month of the year. Cuarto mes del año. Cuarto mes del año. May. Mayo. Mayo, the fifth month of the year. El quinto mes del año. June. Junio. Junio, the sixth month of the year. El sexto mes del año. Sexto mes del año. July. Julio. Julio, the seventh month of the year. Séptimo mes del año. Séptimo mes del año. August. Agosto. Agosto, the eighth month of the year. Octavo mes del año. Octavo mes del año. September. Septiembre. Septiembre, the ninth month of the year. Noveno mes del año. Noveno mes del año. October. Octubre. Octubre. Octubre, the 10th month of the year. Décimo mes del año. Décimo mes del año. November. Noviembre, the 11th month of the year. Undécimo mes del año. Undécimo mes del año. December. Diciembre. Diciembre. Diciembre, the 12th month of the year. Duodécimo del año. Duodécimo del año. Why is this helpful? This is helpful because learning the months of the year will help you to know what each month means in Spanish. Learning the months of the year is very important to your success in Spanish because you will be communicating daily. Knowing the months of the year will allow you to talk about certain time frames and when things take place in your Spanish conversations. You have the ability to speak with people and ask questions to get information and write out sentences. These are my sources. And I want to thank you guys very much for paying attention in this third day of the Spanish crash course, which was about los meses del año, months of the year. And this information is going to help you very much to be able to form sentences and to hold conversations while using different types of time and talking about months, especially when it comes to Spanish. I look forward to continue helping you guys to increase your Spanish knowledge and information. And I look forward to seeing you inside the next Spanish crash course. See you on the inside. Thank you once again. Bye.